Hello! Vlogmas Day 3. So for today's video, nandito tayo sa Ayala Mall sa Lenad. And let's check kung ano mga meron tayo. So meron tayong big Christmas tree here. Meron din tayong, yan, merong malaking Christmas box, gift box. At meron silang, let's go Zion! Meron na doon mga iba't ibang kainan. Let's go! Guys, so makikita nyo. Starbucks later yan. Ito. Daming kainan na guys. Here. May iba't ibang stall. Yan. Let's go. Asan aking bulinggit na si Zion? Zion! Ayan. Daming stalls na dito guys. So, what's new in Ayala Mall sa Lenad? They have different stalls, yes? Yes po. We're checking all the food stalls.
Wow, playground.
Wow, playground daw. Ayun, may mga kainan. Iba't ibang tinda din. Meron ding binibentang mga pang-gift. So, ayan yung meron tayo dito. Usually wala yan. Ngayon lang talaga dahil Christmas season. At syempre, ito na si Zion. Nagyaya na sa kanyang playground. So, ito yung mga kainan here. Oh, the Ilocos Empanada. We have corn dogs here. Puto bongbong and bibingka. Tapos may mga drinks pa. Hapo. And there's Zion. So, samahan muna natin ating little kiddo sa kanyang playground. So, isa to sa favorite niyang gawin dito sa may Ayala Mall sa Lenad, ang maglaro sa playground. So, this one is free lang din to sa area na to. Yan siya, guys. Okay, help muna natin ang lating little kiddo. Careful. Careful, Z. Careful, Zion. Yan ang playground. Slide, Z. Where's Zion? There you go. Tuwang-tuwa. Guys, so sige, bantayin muna natin ating little toddler Z sa kanyang paglalaro dito sa playground. Again, this is in Ayala Mall sa Lenad. So if you want your kids to go here, may free and playground sila. Ito yung area nila for kids. Tapos meron na silang yung mga booths dyan, mga food stalls, and other gift stalls din. And again, Zion! Tuwang-tuwa. Yeah. Careful. Good job. Slowly lang. Done na to. Dahan-dahan po. Okay. We have another there, oh. Iba pa. Ayun, sige. Bantay muna tayo sa ating little kiddo Z.
So, next natin ay time zone naman with Daddy Jeweler.
Taran! Oopsie! Go, Dad! Go, Z! Yay! You can do it! You can do it! Whoa! Oopsie! Oopsie! I'll try! Mom's turn! Mom's turn! Whoa! Go, 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 guys! 10 seconds na lang! 10 seconds! Whoa! 10, 2, 1, go! Zion, shoot pa! 3, 2, 1! On time! Favorite game namin to dito, guys. YOLO! Look at that! Wow! Whoa! More hands! Yo! Yan, guys! Teamwork kaming tatlo dito. Yung taas! Ay, mali! Time zone! Whoa! More balls! More Transformers! Me and Z and Dan! Ayan, ayan! Si Megatron! Wow! Ayan, ayan, ayan! Zion, ayan, ayan! You can do it! You can do it! Oh! Look out, guys! Oops, oops, oops! Look out! Look out! Bumblebee! Autobot! Wow! May tickets pa. Pwede pa yun pa-count dyan. Tapos, papalit na doon. Ano yung pasapot sa card ni Zion?
Yung soccer ball.
Wow, daming choices. Ito pa, meron mo maliit.
Which one?
Let's check. Yung pipiliin ni Zion. Yay! Ayan! Mariredeem na namin! Super nice! We have soccer ball. We can use this in the clubhouse. Yay! Yan. Nakalagay pa talaga time zone, no? Yay! Different promos. May student fan pack pa. Yan. Again, here in... Oh, meron pa palang promo. Guys, again, this is in time zone. Ayala Mall, Salinat. A picture! Oh, meron nga din silang Snapchat here. Gusto daw ni Zion mag-snapshot. Okay, let's try to ask Dad. Try it, Dad. Nagyayasi si... Class, ito, filter and deck. Here, printing. Photo in progress. Ito, guys! Yay! A random day na gusto lang namin mag-photo shoot. Thank you, Lord, for today. Zion, anong sabi mo?
Mami, thank you Lord, sana natin dito.
Sana? Saan? Sa play natin?
Landmark.
Landmark. Thank you, Lord daw. Magla-landmark na naman kami. Thank you, Lord. In Landmark, uy, daming mga pag-Christmas baskets. Si Zion. Ito yung meron sila. Sip, milkshake, and coffee. Captain Calamares. Ito yung mga kainan dito sa loob ng Landmark. Hello daw. Got a lover. Lingnam fried siopaw. What's this? Kakanin. And we also have tender juicy. And later na iba kasi quick grocery lang kami. Quick grocery lang. Pandagdag sa baon namin. For our quick staycation this weekend. Ang hinahanap ni Mom ay kape. Coffee is life. Ito naman tayong bumili na itong Wishy bag, Coco bag. Kasi naman talaga, oh, sulit na sulit. May freebie pa yan for the mystery charms. Pero first, hanapin mo natin ang ating coffee. Here you go! Coffee is life. Let's go! Oh, ang taas. Ayun po yung kailangan namin. Ask tayo ng assistance. Ito kami ng mamon. Ayun, mini mamon. Yan, katawag kay Lola Joy na binaon. Let's go! Time to pay. For today's vlog, ito ang question of the day. Tingin nyo guys, magkano ang inabot nitong grocery na to. Itong isang paper bag lang na to. Guess nyo lang. Tingin nyo. So, sa mga pinakamalapit, pero kung may exact makakasagot dyan, we'll get a gift. Pa-Gcash tayo ulit. Comment nyo guys, what do you think? How much ang inabot nitong grocery na to? Itong same paper bag. Yun lang. Comment kayo. Thank you for watching.